Hey guys, why do I look orange? Hey guys, so today I'm testing out something kind of weird. It is this like little cat line thingy, and it's a cat that is supposed to help you line your eyes. So there's actually a couple of different ones. So what this is basically is you just like line it up on your eye, and it's supposed to help you do your winged liner, but also it can help you like do your eyeshadow. My sister got this for me for Christmas because I'm obsessed with cats and I like makeup, so you know, it seemed fitting. So we're just gonna try this out. If you're wondering why I really don't have any other makeup on other than my foundation and my brows, that's because I'm doing another video that you're gonna see soon. And I didn't even change my shirt because I got this new tattoo and it's really showing it off, so I'm really feeling it. You can't see it though. Right here. Right there. And I've been really wanting to show it off in my videos because I'm obsessed with it. And if you keep catching me looking at the monitor in this, or the like here, that's because I'm looking at it, not my face, because I'm not that cute. So I have my Stila all Stay All Day waterproof liquid eyeliner and my cat, and we're going to test this out. I'm probably gonna zoom you in a little bit. Okay, so you have a lot of different options. There's another cat that comes with it. Don't know where that cat is. But anyways, I wanted to use this one regardless, I think. So it says like you're supposed to just match up the best one for your face and go from there. Yeah, this is gonna be hard. This is gonna be so hard. I have to do check-ins later, and I'm not gonna look good for that. Okay, just give me a minute, and I'm gonna figure this out real quick. She has it looking like this on the picture. My booty, it won't lay flat. Is this supposed to help beginners? What beginners? I think I need like one person to like hold it down for me, and then I can just fill it in real quick. And I want to give this an actual chance. Doesn't this seem a little too big? You know what? Why not? I've got her in position now. I bet I look ridiculous. That seems thick AF. I can't really see what I'm doing. This is not gonna be good. Oh, heck no. This is not good. You know what? I'm just doing it now. Can't really see what I'm doing because I have to close one eye. But I have a very weird feeling that this is gonna make me look like a raccoon. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. That is what it looks like. What is this? What is this? Oh my god. If I was going for a raccoon, I got her. I mean, I thought I stayed in the lines. I didn't even get a point. Let's see. This makes me look like I just don't have an eyelid that folds, you know what I mean? Like that, like my eyes look very different. Let's try another one. Okay, so I'm gonna try another number. Because, oh, hello. Because why not? That's the wrong way. I believe I'm supposed to. Okay, we are in position. I repeat. We are not in position. I can't see around my eyelid or my eyelashes. Come on. Yeah, this isn't gonna make it hard. Oh, it's just rubbing off against my arm. Okay. That one, I did see the lines and it just didn't work. Can't tell if the screen's blurry or if my eyes are just blurry. Is it me? Am I just challenged? I will say this is a oriental. I don't know the proper thing to say, but the eyelids like are the type of eyelids I'm saying that it makes me look like I have, which maybe leads me to believe that this is just not for me. So it said very suitable for a beginner of eye makeup. I ain't no beginner. You could choose a shape to match. Oh my gosh. This is how match is spelled. M-A-T-H-C-H. Why didn't I catch that the first time? Your eye shape, which could show the charming of eye makeup, then owing a natural and pretty eyeliner. What did I just read? And you could choose a shape to match your eye shape, which could show the charming of eye makeup, then owing, is that even O-W-I-N-G? I mean, a natural and pretty eyeliner. Warm tips. Keep the hand stable when drawing the eye makeup to avoid drawing again. Wish I could find the other cat. I don't really know where I put it. And it has like eyelining underneath your eye. No, I feel like it's a very bad choice to go forward with trying that one out. And then the tail, yeah, which like for eyeshadow, that could maybe help with like a cut crease. So my verdict is in, and while this cat is cute, no. What are you doing? Why are you near the dishes? What is my cat doing? Just, if you ever come across, I gotta zoom out real quick. If you ever come across this fun thing, maybe just avoid it altogether. Just saying. That is everything that I have for this video. If you like when I embarrass myself on the internet, make sure that you give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to me if you haven't already, and hit that little notification bell so it will tell you every single time that I post. Follow me on all of my social medias. My handles are on the screen right now, and I will see you guys next time with less of this going on. Bye guys!